For decades, we've been subtly injected with a perfect lie. Deeply ingrained into our daily lives, the food industry systematically brainwashed us, convincing us of a specific persistent eating habit. To keep your metabolic furnace continuously roaring, they claimed you must eat constantly. They painted a dire scenario. Skip a meal and your body would begin to relentlessly self-destruct. But the stark reality is completely the opposite. Every time you eat, you effectively extinguish the most sophisticated biological recycling plant on this planet. Its gears are now rusted, healing, becoming stagnant and heavily clogged by a sticky, gray sludge of surplus sugar. Breakfast is not the most important meal of your day, contrary to widespread belief and constant snacking. Do you not keep your energy flame burning bright? It dims it. In reality, the continuous cycle of chewing and swallowing locks your body into a permanent storage state. Only when you completely cease eating does this intricate biological machine truly awaken. The astounding truth is this: properly starving your body doesn't weaken you at all. It transforms you into an unparalleled, optimized survival machine capable of incredible feats. To truly grasp what occurs when you eat only one single meal each day, or OMAD, cease viewing your body merely as a simple, inefficient wood-burning furnace. Instead, envision it as a magnet. When a continuous stream of food constantly flows in, this city operates solely on weak backup power. But when you completely sever that external food supply, the city does not crumble. Instead, it activates a stunning emergency protocol. You'll witness vibrant amber liquid flows, circulating from deep within the nuclear core of your fat cells, supplying a pure infinite energy source. And here is a truth that will utterly astound you. During extended fasting, human growth hormone, HGH, does not diminish. Instead, it explodes exponentially, potentially increasing by up to 2,000%. This hormonal shield maximally protects braided muscle fibers, while blocks of excess fat are mercilessly incinerated. This is not starvation, it is a profound biological source code overhaul, a cellular software upgrade, which you voluntarily activate through the sheer power of emptiness. Let's dissect precisely each microtransformation inside you, hour by hour, as the fasting clock begins to meticulously tick. Hour 0 to 4, the collapse of the sugar empire. Immediately after your final meal, your digestive system is a bustling construction site. Billions of gray, crumbling sugar crystals surge into your bloodstream. To cope, your pancreas releases a rapid flow of insulin, clearing these glucose molecules and shunting them into the storage compartments of your liver and muscles. During this initial period, your body is still actively processing and storing energy. No magic here, you're simply in standby mode. Hour 4 to 12, the depletion of the glycogen reservoir. Once your bloodstream is clear of sugar, your body begins to recognize that external aid has been cut. It shifts its focus to the liver. Picture your liver as a massive energy reservoir, gradually emptying, revealing a base coated in sharp quartz crystals. Your liver starts breaking down stored glycogen into glucose to nourish your brain. Here the first hunger pangs emerge. Hour 12 to 16, the great. Your liver's energy reserves have now run completely dry. The body is compelled to seek a new type of fuel, and it turns its unwavering gaze toward stored fat tissues. These fat stores were previously tightly locked away by insulin. The process of fat breakdown now begins. Your liver converts the released fatty acids into ketone bodies. Under a microscopic lens, you would observe millions of brilliantly golden ketone particles, emitting tiny electrical sparks, piercing through dark cell membranes that eagerly crave energy. Ketones are not merely secondary fuel. They are the ultimate superfuel, specifically designed for your brain. Mental fog completely dissipates, replaced instead by a razor-sharp mental focus that could metaphorically cleave space. Hour 16 to 20, the era of autophagy. As your body delves deeper into the fasting state, An ancient survival mechanism known as autophagy awakens. This is the ultimate recycling station. Your cells, no longer distracted by constant food digestion, begin to meticulously clean themselves. They form transparent, thin membrane bubbles filled with fluorescent green, acidic liquid hunting for faulty proteins, bacteria, and old organelles. Like microscopic scavenger machines, they devour distorted cellular debris, breaking them into basic amino acids to rebuild new, more perfect cells. This is, indeed, the hidden fountain of youth within your DNA. Our 20 to 24, the peak of neural regeneration. Nearing the 20 for our mark, you achieve OMAD's pinnacle. Human growth hormone now circulates at its highest levels, safeguarding your muscular system with a flickering blue energy shield. Concurrently, brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF floods your cerebral cortex. This momentous event triggers the creation of new brain cells and fortifies existing connections. Envision a massive, brilliantly glowing white neural network, expanding and connecting at blistering speed. Shimmering star-dusted stem cell rivers begin to flow through your bloodstream, ready to heal any damage within the system. Your body is now no longer a mere consumption machine. It has transformed into a perfect, self-healing ecosystem. Why do our bodies possess this superhuman capability? The answer lies profoundly in the harsh, evolutionary chain of our distant ancestors. Millions of years ago, food wasn't conveniently packaged on supermarket shelves, nor were door-to-door delivery applications available. Imagine the dark shadows of ancient hunters, silently gliding through a thick primordial fog. They had to stalk prey across cold, desolate fields, and they often did so with empty stomachs for many consecutive days, under the relentless urge of hunger. Their sympathetic nervous system flooded them with adrenaline, igniting their sharp, cold eyes that reflected the brilliant, silver moonlight. If the lack of food truly made humans weak, tired, and unfocused, as current modern society often propagates, our human species would have long ago gone extinct. Fasting is not merely a state of deficiency. It is in fact the ultimate predatory weapon. The increase in ketones, the brain's sharp focus, and the explosive energy from excess fat, all were meticulously designed to transform you into an unrivaled hunter, providing you with absolute alertness to track, fight, and obtain your very next meal. When you engage in OMAD, you are not merely losing weight. You are actively resummoning the most primitive, instinctual power that has long lain dormant within your genetic code. While the immense power of an OMAD diet is undeniably formidable, this potent biological tool carries too much destructive force for certain biological systems. Not everyone is inherently equipped to withstand its profound intensity. If your body is a core construction machine, abruptly cutting off its fuel supply could potentially trigger disaster. Forcing a fragile or imbalanced system into an extreme fasting regimen is akin to attempting to operate a nuclear super engine with cooling pipes that are already severely cracked. It will not generate regeneration. It will invariably lead to self-destruction. If you are ready to awaken the ultimate machine within yourself, here is the mandatory 3-step protocol to follow. Strategic hydration is paramount. Allow glistening sea salt crystals to slowly dissolve in pristine, clear water. This will continuously supply essential electrolytes, maintaining stable electromagnetic neural signals throughout your entire day. Break your fast using biological structure. Not simple sugars. Inaugurate your single meal with a glorious slab of vibrant red meat, encircled by a rich layer of golden flowing fat, brilliantly complemented by vivid green vegetables. This is crucial to prevent a brutal, disruptive insulin shock, ensuring a smooth transition into your fed state. Embrace consistency over harshness. Allow your body to slowly and gradually adapt by incrementally narrowing your eating window before diving head first into the full 24-hour zone. This gradual approach fosters sustainable habit formation. Note: This content is exclusively for educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional medical advice in any circumstance, always without exception. Consult with your primary healthcare physician before making any significant changes to your health regimen, ensuring that your decisions are informed and appropriate for your individual physiological needs and conditions.